Liam. Today we're going to be learning about hoverboards. And before you get a hoverboard, you first get it out of the box. You press this button, turn it on, and then get to the middle mode, and then you're going to get your bounce. And go.
And you're going to show them how you're going to ride.
So now, you just turn it on, and you get on it, and then carefully go down here. You carefully go down here safely, and then get your hoverboard out here. You get back on it, and you start riding.
So, Liam, is there anything else you would like to say? Is there any safety precautions?
And you also need knee pads. If a kid rides it, they need knee pads.
And why?
Because look what I did when I didn't have knee pads.
Oh,
I scraped myself.
you scraped yourself.
I started bleeding. So, you have to wear knee pads if a kid rides it.
Okay.
That's all.
So, would you recommend that to anybody?
Yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
Do you think everybody should have one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Zach could have one.
I do.
And my dad should have one. My mom should have one. Trina and Aunt Tina and Cecil.
Cecil needs one?
Yeah. And then
Well, would you recommend that hoverboard for older people? Like, how about me? Would I get hurt on that?
you're too old because whenever you get on it, you like do this. You fall off.
Yes, I would.
Because remember old ladies can sit on the...
Oh, they could sit down.
No, you can't. You can't.
Oh,
Try to sit down. It won't run you, so sit down. Try it.
okay. So that's the end? That's all you got to say about the hoverboard?
Yes.
Okay, so, and y'all have a great day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, until the next time.